In this video I will show you how to move apps from one drive to another drive without any software, and here we will use Windows inbuilt robocopy command. Here I will show you moving apps installed in C drive to D drive. Now first of all let's look property of C drive. After moving the application of C drive, free space of C drive will increase. Here we will show demonstration of moving JetBrains folder installed in program files as shown here. I will move it to D drive backup folder. I will create JetBrains folder and I will move here. So to move this, go to search and type cmd and then select run command prompt as administrator option. If you get confirmation, then click on yes. Then type robocopy command. Then copy the path of application you want to move. Now paste down this path inside quotation mark in command line. Now copy down the path of destination folder. Enclose that path in double quotation mark. Next type /move/e/copy all/sl and press enter. This will move everything from source folder to destination folder. Also, it preserves permissions, timestamps and attributes of folder as well. After performing this steps, your original files gets deleted and frees space on C drive. Just wait for some time to move files and folder to destination folder. Now we have to make a link between source and destination folder. For this we will use mk-link command. Next type mk-link command followed by /j and then paste download source and destination path and press enter. Now any program, shortcut or registry entry looking at C drive will still work. You can see junction has been created. Now go to and check C drive and you will find C drive space has been freed up. Initially it was 279 GB free space and now it is 281 GB free space. Now when you go and check the source folder path in C drive and you will still get the content there but does not take any space in this drive. Also you will see this link like shortcut created. Now when you go and open the application and you will still be able to open it as shown here. In this way we successfully move application from one drive to another. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon so that you will not miss any update.